Alright, I'm out with Tiara. We're driving. We're at the shooting range. And we brought the big fancy dressage horse out with us. And he's been learning about traffic and driving alongside the road and about guns. And idiots doing donuts in front of us in the dirt. Yeah! Where to be in the cart and what the retired people do on the weekends, which involves guns and C4. They like to blow stuff up, don't they, Tiara? Yeah. Yep, sure do. Sure we do. We've been learning about going at a nice even pace at the trot, and then stopping and hanging out, and then going and then going and then going. Really good. Good kids. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, she's a good booby. Yeah. Yeah. That's what they do. What are they doing? Good kids. I know. You're so good. And unfortunately, I can't video when we're moving because I've got I've got a lot going on. The reins and the leading. Yeah. Guns are cool. I think going for a long time, we just trotted maybe a mile and then just standing is really, really good for them. How's your poop? You've been trotting through the neighborhood. Yeah, a bunch of dogs hit the fence. Everybody did really good with that. And then the dogs got in a fight with each other. That was interesting. Alright. Shall we keep going? Gotta put the phone away though.